Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you that how you can set up Google Authenticator for Facebook. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Facebook application on your device. Once you do so, the next thing you need to do is to tap on your profile. From there, you need to tap on settings. So once you tap on settings, it will bring you to account center. You need to tap on account center. From there, you need to tap on password and security. So once you tap on password and security, you will find two-factor authentication here. You need to tap on that. From here, you need to select the account if you have multiple accounts. So you need to select the account that you want to use two-factor authentication on. From here, as you can see, I already have two-factor authentication on. But if I want to use authentication app, I will need to tap on this. So once you tap on authentication app here, as you can see, you will find a key, or you can actually scan a QR code. So what you need to do is to go back to your Authenticator app, which you already downloaded from the Play Store or App Store. So once you download that, open that application. Once you open the application, the next thing you need to do is to tap on the plus sign and then enter a setup key. You can name it. I will name it as Facebook to remember, and you need to enter the key here. So I will go back, copy the key, and come back and paste the key here. So once you paste the key, all you need to do is to tap on add. So once you tap on add, as you can see now, this is the key generated, the code generated. I will go back here and I will tap on next. And all you need to do is to copy that code from here. You need to tap for a long time and it will copy the key, and then you need to paste it here and you need to tap on next. So now, as you can see, they say two-factor authentication is on. All you need to do is to tap on done. And now, as you can see, the authentication app is already added into the two-factor authentication method on Facebook. So guys, this is how you can set up Google Authenticator for your Facebook. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.